Okay guys, in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we can improve on this program by asking the user if they would like to um, add a user to the table, or they would like to return all the users from the table. So what we need to do here is I'm going to have to put my two pieces of code in separate functions. So for the add function, I'm going to just have add, and I'm going to indent. So this is all within my add function, and I'm going to have def search, and what this will do, it will indent. I need to add db document under here. So I've got two functions now. I've got one that's going to allow us to add a user, and I've got one here that's going to allow us to return the contents of the table. So not necessarily search, but it's going to return the contents of the table. Okay, now what I'm going to do is at the bottom, I'm now going to ask the user what they would like to do. So I'm going to ask the user choice equals input. Would you like to add a user or search or print the table? I'm going to do if choice is equal to, if choice is equal to add, then I'm going to call the add function. Elif choice is equal to print, then I'm going to call the search function, else print I cannot do that command. So if the user doesn't enter add or print when we ask the user for their choice, then it's not going to be able to do either of those things, and it's going to print out I cannot do that command. Okay, so now if I run this, I'm going to start by asking the user what would you like to add a user or print the table. I'm going to click on add, and then here we go. So ID 4, Mary Jones, Jones at example.com, department, sales, check the table in the database, browse, and now it is now added Mary Jones. So now our program will ask the user what they would like to do with the database by using functions. Okay, so you can see how doing this can make it much more complex, and you could incorporate this into a range of your programs that you would like to make. Okay, next up I'm going to use tkinter login window and sync it with my SQL database.